Hi, good morning. My name is Nico Arwal from VSIT 4A. Today, I'm going to discuss the data analytics and its different tools and on how it helps the users, institution, or companies to manage their data. But before we proceed to our discussion, let's have first a prayer. So once again, good morning everyone. So when you heard the word data analytics, what comes into your mind? When we say data analytics, also known as DA, it is the method of examining and analyzing raw data so that conclusion can be drawn. Data analytics is a valuable part of science-centered industries in verifying or disproving current theories or models. The purpose of DA is to sort through data in order to arrive at a conclusion. One of the examples of data analytic tools is big data. For years, people have asked all knowing Google how big data can help businesses to succeed. What big data technologies are the best? And other important questions. A lot has been written and said about big data already, but the term itself remains unexplained. To be fair, we do not count a widespread definition. Big data is big. This concept raises another question: what are the measures for big? 1 terabyte, 1 petabyte, 1 exabyte, or more? So, what is big data means? Say big data. Big data is the combination of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data collected by organizations that can be mined for information and used in machine learning projects, predictive modeling, and other advanced analytic applications. Systems that process and store big data have become a common component of data management architectures in organizations. Combined with tools that support big data, analytics use big data is often characterized by the 3 V's. The large volume of data in many environments, the wide variety of data types frequently stored in big data systems, and the velocity at which much of the data is generated, collected, and processed. Volume organizations collect data from a variety of sources, including transactions, smart Internet of Things devices, industrial equipment, videos, images, audio, social media, and more. In the past, storing all that data would have been too costly, but cheaper storage using data takes head up, and the cloud have eased the burden. Velocity: with the growth in the Internet of Things, data streams into businesses at an unprecedented speed and must be handled in a timely manner. RFID tags, sensors, and smart meters are driving the need to deal with this torrent of data in near real time. Variety: data comes in all types of format, from structured, numeric data and traditional databases to unstructured text, documents, email, videos, audios, stock tier data, and financial transactions. Here is the importance of big data. Companies use big data in their systems to improve operations, provide better customer service, create personalized marketing campaigns, and take other actions that ultimately can increase revenue and profits. Businesses that use it effectively hold a potential competitive advantage over those that don't because they are able to make faster and more informed business decisions. For example, big data provides valuable insights into customers that companies can use to refine their marketing, advertising, and promotions in order to increase customer engagement and conversion rates. Both historical and real-time data can be analyzed to assist the evolving preferences of consumers or corporate buyers, enabling businesses to become more responsive to customer wants and needs. Big data is also used by medical researchers to identify disease signs and risk factors and by doctors to help diagnose illnesses and medical conditions in patients. In addition, a combination of data from electronic health records, social media sites, the web, and other sources gives healthcare organizations and government agencies up-to-date information on infectious disease threats or outbreaks. Here are some more examples of how big data is used by organizations. In the energy industry, big data helps oil and gas companies identify potential drilling locations and monitor pipeline operations. Likewise, utilities use it to track electrical grids. Financial services firms use big data systems for risk management and real-time analysis of market data. Manufacturers and transportation companies rely on big data to manage their supply chains and optimize delivery routes. Other government uses include emergency response, crime prevention, and smart city initiatives. Here are the following challenges for big data. While big data holds a lot of promise, it is not without its challenges. First, big data is big. Although new technologies have been developed for data storage, data volumes are doubling in size about every 2 years. Organizations still struggle to keep pace with their data and find ways to effectively store it. But it is not enough to just store the data. Data must be used to be valuable, and that depends on curation. Clean data or data that's relevant to the clients and organized in a way that enables meaningful analysis requires a lot of work. Data scientists spend 50 to 80% of their time curating and preparing data before it can actually be used. Finally, big data technology is changing at a rapid pace. A few years ago, Apache Hadoop was the popular technology used to handle big data. Then, Apache Spark was introduced in 2014. Today, a combination of the two frameworks appears to be the best approach. Keeping up with the big data technology is an ongoing challenge.